our channel. Today we will be learning about the types of drainage pattern, and we will see in the topo sheet how these drainage patterns look like, or how we can differentiate and identify the various drainage pattern in the topographical map. So first type of drainage pattern is the dendritic pattern. Here if you see, the tributaries are joining the main river. This is the main river at the center, where tributaries are joining like the branches of the tree. So the pattern is called the dendritic pattern. The word dendritic originates from the word dendron, which means the tree-like branches. So the entire structure is looking like the branches of the tree joining the main stream. And the rock structure where this type of pattern is found is homogeneous. Now if we see in the topo map, we will be able to identify this type of drainage pattern. If you see here, this is a very clear dendritic drainage pattern. If you see here, see, this is the main river and the tributaries are joining the main river like the branches of the tree. So this type of pattern is the dendritic drainage pattern. Again, another one we have here. See, this is the main river. Tributaries are joining the large river, the main river, in the form of tree branches. So this pattern is called the dendritic drainage pattern. The next pattern which we have is the trellis. Now in the trellis drainage pattern, if you see, the tributaries are joining the main river at right angles. So this is the main river. The tributary is joining the main river at right angle. They are forming a 90-degree angle. Even the smaller tributaries joining the larger tributaries, everything is forming the smaller tributary or the large tributary. They are all forming right angles with each other. So tributaries join the large river at right angles. So this type of pattern is called the trellis drainage pattern. Basically this is found in regions where you have alternate layers of hard and soft rock. So mainly the folded structure is present. There you will find the trellis drainage pattern. I repeat, when the tributaries join the large river at the main river at right angles, that type of drainage pattern is known as the trellis drainage pattern. Now if we see over here, we'll be able to clearly identify this type of drainage pattern in the topographical map. If you see here, this is a main river, and you will find, see, the tributaries are joining this main river at right angle. So this is a trellis drainage pattern. Another one is here in the stream. See, the tributaries are joining the main river at right angle. So this type of drainage pattern is called the trellis drainage pattern. Another one which we have is called the radial drainage pattern. So let's learn what is a radial drainage pattern. A radial pattern is the one where streams, they radiate from the center. Radiate means they come out from the center. This is the center. It is a highland. It can be a hill, it can be a plateau, or it can even be a ridge. Any highland from where the streams are originating, because the surrounding is a lowland. So always the water flows from highland to lowland. So the river, they are flowing from the hill down to the low-lying surrounding region. This type of drainage pattern is known as the radial pattern. So here again in this map we find a radial drainage pattern as well. If you look here, this is a highland, and from here you will find streams coming down, streams originating from this higher elevated area. The surrounding is the low-lying area. The streams are flowing from this higher elevated area. Another map I can show you on this type of drainage pattern. If you see here, this part, this region, again we have, this is a highland. You can identify the highland through the contours. See, they are closely spaced and they are meeting up over here. So the streams are coming out from this highland, from this hill, and forming a radial drainage pattern. So these three types of drainage pattern are there in ICSE syllabus when we are doing the topographical map. But another thing which we need to know is about the disappearing streams. This is something very interesting. Sometimes we will see in the topographical sheet that the streams, they suddenly disappear. Now what are these disappearing streams and where do they go? They actually disappear in the sandy deposits due to seepage. Either they seep inside, or sometimes because of excessive heating, because it's a desert region, so they might even evaporate. So that type of stream is called the disappearing stream. So when they are flowing, you will not find where they are ending. The ending point cannot be demarcated because they disappear suddenly somewhere at the center. So those types of streams are known as the disappearing streams. If you see, what is a disappearing stream? Streams that disappear in the sandy deposit due to seepage or evaporation. Now we'll see here in this map. If you see, you will be able to identify several disappearing streams. These dots are showing you the sand dunes, the sandy region. It's the desert. Now if you see, this is a stream. They have disappeared. See, now they are marked with a dotted line. So this is a disappearing stream. Another disappearing stream is here. The stream has suddenly disappeared. There is no end point for these streams. We can't see the mouth or the ending portion of this stream where they are draining into. They are suddenly disappearing in the sandy desert. So they are known as the disappearing stream. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.